Well, my dad moved out and he left me some goodies. Like an almost new $500 lawnmower. It's a Huskvarna. It's got a Honda GCV 160 motor on it. Overhead cam. Had not been taken care of. My dad just didn't, take care of it at all. But I just hate this mower. I mean, I like the engine. Hondas are good engines. I just hate this mower. Just the self-propel. I don't like the way it works. It's a very long mower too, and I don't like that. Now, if it had the handles like my Cub Cadet has, or it comes up and curves up, you can hold it a little better and you're not so far away from it. But I had to do some repair. It wasn't running right. It would run and rev up and then turn off. Okay, and so the float is probably stuck or something in the carburetor. So I took the carb off, and yes, these carbs are a real pain in the ass to take off. Not like a Briggs or something. And I wish my dog would shut up. And it was clean, so I put it back together, and now it runs fine. Well, it sputters a bit, but I think that's stale gas. I hate these air cleaners too, because every time there's any vibration, this thing pops off. One time it backfired, and it threw the air cleaner and the cover off into those bushes somewhere. And I had a hard time finding it. So I'm going to turn on the fuel and put it on this choke thing here. See what happens. Well, shit, now I gotta get these leaves out of the pool I just threw in there. But, it took a little while to start because I'd run it out of gas. Shut the valve off and run it out. And I'll do that now because I'm not gonna run it any. I guess that's the video. Hope you enjoyed it.